Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about like the best free 24/7 Minecraft hosting for you and what kind of thing you can actually expect. So the first one for you to check out is called Oracle Cloud, okay? So the best performance requires technical skill, that's important. So this is kind of something to be aware of. It offers like a 4 OCPU and 24 gigabytes of RAM, which is powerful enough to host a large server permanently. So it got high learning curve. This is the only con of it, okay? Requires a VPS management and can be hard to secure an account in some regions. So, but again, I wanted to mention it, okay? And then another one that kind of like be aware of is called Minefort. So Minefort, what is great about it is that it's highly recommended for being polished, providing 24/7 capability, and also supporting plugins without QoS. And when you look here for the pricing, is that yes, you're gonna have like 24/7. And you see right here, you can have like not paid plan, but also like no ads here, more control, availability. But this is something to be aware of for like 24/7, and it's like $5.99 a month, which is not really much, but I still want to kind of like mention it for you, what kind of thing you can actually like expect. And you see like 500,000 created, like Discord, plenty of unique players, so it's like very quick and effective. So something that you can actually like do. And also another one is like free game host. So this is like free game server hosting 24/7, and you can see actually here that you can like start your server. So something to also to be aware of. And another one is that with like, for example, free games host, you got 4 gigabytes of RAM, and then you're gonna have also the Phoenix node. So the Phoenix node is also interesting one for what you can get started when you're gonna hide out Terraria here, Minecraft 2, and recognized for having no QoS and clean panel. But very important thing that you want to like, Oracle, for example, is powerful but carries a risk of sudden instant deletion. Some hosts offer high resources but are often unstable, so be aware of it. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. Also, we can like use Raspberry Pi on all cheap desktop to self-host, and that's something that you can do. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.